Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to connect Zapier to ChatGPT in 2023. ChatGPT is a powerful language model developed by OpenAI. And of course, Zapier is an automation tool that connects different apps. So in this comprehensive guide, we'll walk you through the essential steps to integrate Zapier with ChatGPT. So make sure to stick by. Let's dive right into this video and simply let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So first, we'll have to go and sign up for a Zapier account. To do so, go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser, and of course in your case, you can use any other browser that you could possibly have. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to this URL section, and basically you'll have to type zapier.com. As an example, let me just show you. Just go and type zapier.com and hit the enter button, and that will take you right away to the home screen or main screen of Zapier website. Of course, if you don't have an account and you don't know much about this website, you can always scroll down, read more information about the website, how the connection is done, how you can automate some stuff, how to connect some apps, and what's even people saying about this website. Of course, just familiarize yourself with the website, and once you're done, of course, you can simply go up again and go to the top right corner to click on login if you have an account. If you don't, you'll have to go and click on sign up instead, or you can simply click here to start free with Google if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating your account. For me, I'll just go here to the top right corner and click on login because I already have an account, and of course, I'll continue with Google. You can continue with Google, Facebook, or even like two other options that I forget about, like SSO and the other option I forgot. And of course, you'll be able to do a lot with that. So once you are here, of course, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, and this is how it will look like. If you have any zaps, you'll find it here, like previous zaps and a lot of other stuff. Of course, now what we'll need to do, just go to this left panel, click on apps, and here, make sure to go to search apps. And basically here, you'll have to type ChatGPT. Once you type that out, as you can see, add a new connection. So ChatGPT, click on connect, and this will pop out, or this pop-out will go out to you. So here you'll have to allow Zapier to access your ChatGPT account. What's required is the API key, and you can even add an organization ID if you want, because it's just optional. So what's required is creating or entering an API key. If you don't have it, you'll have to go and create an API key and paste the key below. As you can see, the key starts with SK dash. If you get an error, you may have reached your OpenAI usage limit. So to view your results, check your OpenAI billing settings. So just go and get your key, then simply paste that key here, then click on yes, continue to ChatGPT if you didn't want to add any organization ID. If you want to add it, simply just go and add it. As you can see, if your OpenAI account belongs to multiple organization, optionally add the organization ID, and that this connection should use if left blank, your default organization will be used. So for me, I will not do that. Of course, for you, just go and connect that because it's very important for this tutorial. Once you do so, now you'll have to go back, of course, and click on Create a Zap. So sorry, just go and click on Create a Zap. So there is two options if you want to create a Zap. First of all, you'll not be able to create like a long Zap that has a lot of commands because you have just one trigger and one action. You'll not be able to do more because that's the free plan, or that's what the free plan offer. So if you click on upgrade plan here on the left panel as an example, you will find as an example, the free plan will simply feature the features that comes with it is a single steps Zap and no code editor. So make sure to get your starter pack or professional pack if you want to get more Zaps if you want to. So of course, for me, I'll just go again to create a Zap. And here, as you can see, basically you have one trigger, one action. You can simply add more steps, but as you can see, you'll not be able to have like a lot of things in one Zap, or you'll not be able to have a lot of Zaps. So make sure to go and get a plan if you would like to use a lot of Zaps. So here you have this automate option or this AI tool that will help you create those Zaps for yourself if you would like to do that. Of course, this will be very helpful for you. So let's just go here. And as an example, I'll simply here type like connect chat GPT with Zapier and click on generate. Of course, this will generate all the steps for me. This will generate just an example steps. So don't wait to do or to make or to let it make everything correct for you. So for you, if you need like some any other specific details, make sure to mention those details here, and they will try their best to perform like a better actions, better triggers, depending on whatever you want. As you can see, this may not be a workflow to connect ChatGPT with Zapier. You could try when a new message is received in ChatGPT, send it to Webhook as an example. This is just an example. They give you just an example. ChatGPT may not be currently supported. Send us a request and to get added to the app directory. Of course, again, if you have the free plan, you may not have access to all the premium apps. But if you get yourself your professional plan, you'll be able to have like all the premium plans or apps. So let's just go here to trigger as example. And here, let's just type as example ChatGPT. Once we type it, as you can see, no trigger available. That means ChatGPT does not have any triggers available on Zapier, but you can simply put it as an action. So let's just put Zapier as a trigger. So maybe Zapier, when it's going to trigger, when you receive like an email by Zapier, the event, of course, like new read receipt, click on continue. Here, if you want, you'll simply have to mention or specify or set your customization on the trigger. You can even set or test that trigger. If it's working, click on test. And if it's working, as you can see, no read receipts has found. Just skip the test if you don't have any receipts. If you have it and you don't like receive any, make sure to go and check if you have something wrong. Now go to the action. So here now we'll have to go to ChatGPT. Go into ChatGPT and the action or the event of the action, as example, conversation. Why not? Of course, click on continue. Here you'll have to sign in. Once you sign in, you will have to set your customization for the action that should be made after you trigger this, what the conversation is about, and etc. You can add more actions as example. You can add more. You can add more triggers. As example, here in the action should be ChatGPT again. And of course, the events, I'll just do here summarize text. Why not? The text that I'm going to receive as example by my email here. If the email is read, I'll simply go and get or summarize that. So click on continue. Again, they will ask me for sign in. Once I sign in, I'll be basically good to go. So you'll simply have now to configure like your custom requests through these dApps. You can even use this AI generated as example, as I told you before. And then make sure to test your Zap. After seeing like or setting your actions, Zapier will test the entire workflow to ensure everything is working as expected. And if the test is successful, you can now turn on your Zap. As you can see here in the top right corner, you'll find off. You'll be able to turn it on once you sign into everything and you didn't have this danger like mark or something like that. And you'll be able to go. You'll be able to click on fix to publish, and that's all. So if you reached this point of this video, congratulations. You've successfully connected Zapier to ChatGPT in 2023. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.